Hi friends, welcome to this pre-market analysis of Nifty, where on a chart we try to make informed guesses of where buyers and sellers are. This is Nifty on a daily time frame, and our analysis yesterday was that this red box that you see is a fair value gap and sell side liquidity. So these two candles were considered positive because there was no rejection from this, but now these two candles are showing rejection. So it's sort of confusing. It could consolidate with a positive bias. At least what I see as positive is not it is not falling from this fair value gap. There's one, two, three, fourth candle that's eating into this sell side liquidity. That seems positive to me. Let's get rid of all the analysis from yesterday and start afresh, starting with the monthly time frame. On a monthly time frame, right here we have the time frame and the bias on Nifty. Right, I do not have a bias on Nifty on a monthly time frame because there are no lower highs formed or higher lows formed for me to deduce a bias. But there are two important levels to look out for. Out of that, the seller's level is the most important one, that is 24337.5 that we have been marking for 4 months right now. That never in a month that Nifty has managed to close above this level. This is like a huge liquidity, sell side liquidity, and the buyers are at 22,182. That's on a monthly time frame. On a weekly time frame, Nifty is bullish on the time frame is weekly, and the bias is bullish as per the table. So why is it bullish? Let's take a closer look. This is a swing low and this is a higher low that's formed, and a higher low signifies buyers are buying at higher level of confidence, and that means it's bullish. Important levels to look out for in this is a fair value gap that Nifty had formed, and this is a buy side liquidity that exists right here. That's 23,800, between 23,800 to 23,600. So if Nifty decides to come down, so you can see these huge wicks on the downside. So that's all the liquidity, the buy side liquidity that exists right here. Going over to the daily time frame, I have marked it not sure today. Why? Because you see, this is a swing high and this is a low high. This is a swing low and this is a higher low. It is neutral with a bullish bias. With a good bullish bias. That's what I would call it. It's a lower high and a higher low is all formed in the same chart. And that's the reason I marked it not sure. On yesterday I had marked it bullish, but now today on afterthought I would just like to call it neutral with a bullish bias. Now there are a few fair value gaps to look out for. This is the sell side liquidity, the red fair value gap that is actually holding Nifty from going upwards, and then there is the buy side liquidity, that is the this from this candle on to the bottom of this candle, this huge buy side liquidity. So if you can see, Nifty is stuck between two fair value gaps, one of sellers and one of buyers. That's where Nifty is stuck, and it's stuck on the upper edge of it, so it signifies a bullish bias right now. Now going over to important levels in the bullish fair value gap. There are two important levels to look out for. These two swing highs are liquidity zones, that 23,500, 2400 approximately. 400, 500 are if there's a gap down opening due to some events other than the war or anything that happens on Strait of Hormuz. I don't think Nifty will fall for that. So if it does indeed fall, then these are the levels to look out for. And if Nifty decides to break out and go up, then the target is not too far. Target is 24,600. That's all the target we have, from all the way from 24,600 points is the target for Nifty if Nifty decides to break out. On a 4-hour time frame, once again, Nifty is not sure. I do not have a bias on Nifty. No higher lows or lower highs formed. I mean, there is both lower high and higher low formed, so that's why I just put it not sure. And on an hourly time frame, Nifty is bearish because you see this is a swing high and here you have a lower swing high. That is all from my side. Now, on an hourly time frame, it's an interesting formation here. There's a bullish fair value gap and a overlapping bearish fair value gap. It is seen as a sign of a reversal. So it's interesting to look out for a reversal right here. That's it from my side. I'm not a certified analyst. I do this only for educational purpose. Thank you.